Hello, this is Kanika Jasoria from Happy String by NKS. So, today we will learn about the Varli borders. Okay, Varli art is a folk art and without the borders it cannot be complete. So, we will learn first Varli borders. So, let's begin. Yes, Varli border. We will start with first border. What we need to do is we just do the triangle, simple triangle, and we will complete with this triangle also. In a gap we will make a triangles. Okay, now we need to fill this with a small triangle and we will fill this with full triangle. Okay, this is very simple and very lovely border. Yes, now the second border is, this is very simple border. We need to make a square. Okay, and on a square we will just put the cross, then plus. Okay, now we will fill it. One with the black marker, one leaf. One with the black marker, one leaf. One with the black marker, one leaf. One with the black marker and one leaf. Okay, so in this way we will complete our border with the same steps. Okay, and keep remember this thing, the borders are covered with three shapes. Okay, we will follow three shapes only, the circle, the triangle and the square. Only the borders are depends on three shapes. We need to make three shapes and with these three shapes we will cover all the borders. Okay, so our third border is semicircle, one more semicircle inside the semicircle, and we will fill it with the marker, and we will decorate with the dot and line, dot and line, dot and line, dot and line. In this way we will make. And now on this line, semicircle, fill with the marker, and one more semicircle, again dot and line. We will decorate the semicircle in this way so that we can fill the area also, right? Now one more time we will cover this with same steps. Whole border we will cover with the same design. Now fourth one. For fourth one we need to do two standing line and one more standing line. On that standing line I am making the triangle just like an arrow, and I will cover whole triangle with black marker pen. We'll give small space, again two standing line, one more standing line. On third standing line we will make the arrow, and we cover it with black marker. In this way we will cover whole border. Whole border. Yes, this is the fifth border. This is very simple. I'll make on this line. For this border we can make a single line. We can make this border with single line, square. We will make this design in this way. Okay, and need to fill this area. Only square area we will fill. and we can give the dot. Okay, you need to fill this square and a dot, then this square, and this one square, dot, and a square, and so on. So our sixth border. Need to make a diamond shape design. And we will fill with the diamond shape inside it. We will make diamond shape inside it, and we will cover with this triangle also. We need to cover this area with black marker so that it will look very nice. We will cover this triangle and the diamond shape. This is very beautiful border. Whole border we will come covered with this design. See. Now our seventh design is, this is very simple design on one sleeping line, right? So what I need to do is just make a left sloping and right sloping. Give the circle. It's very simple design. For kids it's very simple. They can make this border very easily. Okay, so simple design for kids, and so on. We will complete with this. Now our eighth one is, see what we will do is, semicircle, inside the semicircle. Okay, now one more semicircle over it. Right, now we will make a design which is, and this. Okay, in this way we will make semicircle, one more semicircle, one more semicircle over it. Give this leaf design, or you can say triangle one, and we will cover with dots. This is little heavy design. It will take time, but it looks very nice after completed it. Okay, we will complete this design in this way. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.